Welcome back, and in this lecture we will be actually uh, adding colors and shaders to this character. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all we have to come up to the viewport shading, or you can just switch the shading menu somehow like this. So now we are able to see colors, but our current character don't have any color. So select any of the object and let's press this one. We already have a default material, so let's select this one and add a basic name to this one like black. So this will be the black body, the costume, and let's give it a black color. The specular is a bit high. The specular is the whiteness and the shine that you see, so let's just keep it down to something like 0.3, and yep, this will be fine. Now it's time to give this color to all the stuffs that need to be black color. So I'm just selecting these objects, and I think yes, and in the last one select the one that have black color, so we don't need to do it one by one. We just select things in bulk, and in the last one select the one from which we need to copy the material, and in this one it's this object. So now Control L, and let's link up the materials, and boom, yep, we now have black material to all of that. Now it's time to add another material, so I would like to add a red one. So I press on new, and let's rename this one red. Pick up a red color, and again you can change the specular according that you want, but I think for this one it seems fine. So let's select the object that need to have the red color, and then the last one that have the red color. Now Control L and link material, and yep, this seems fine. Okay, I think we can also add black color to these two, so Control L, link materials, and yeah, that's fine. For the sword we can just add a white color, some a bit gray like this, and let's add metallic to it so it looks like a metal. So let's make it one, but it should be have like two materials, so let's call this one blade, and come up here to the material shader, add plus, because this object is having two materials, so I would like to add plus. And now let's add a new material, and this one will be handle, and let's give it a color. I would like to add a blue color maybe, but as you can see it's not applied to this one. The reason is that we have to assign this color. So let's go to the edit mode, select the faces, and now L to just select this Iceland and this one, and I would like to add the same color to this one, just to keep it simple and to just not make it complex. Okay, and now for this one let's just again add a new color. Let's call this one skin, and now let's add a skin color which would be somehow like this. Okay, that seems fine. Now let's add one more. This will be the eye white, and it will be a white color. So go to the edit mode, select the eye, Control plus to just extend the selection, and now select the eye color and now assign that, and now as you can see it's looking fine. Okay, now we have to create this one, but there is one problem that this isn't to the front place. It should be somehow like here. So I would like to go to the top view by pressing 7, come up here to the wireframe, and let's just G and grab, and now rotate that so it somehow look to the front like this. Okay, and now let's go again to the shaders and add a new material, and this one would be a brown one, and let's pick up a brown color, assign that, or later on we can change that, so don't need to worry a lot. So I think somehow like this would be fine. Okay, there is one problem that it's not circular, so what we have to do is to double G to just slide these, and this would make it a bit of that thing, but still there is problem. So what we have to do is to select all and delete that, and pick up these vertex, double G to slide. So we make it somehow like circle, and now select all, and now E and S, and now E and S again, and let's pull it out outside a bit. And now again we have to E S, and now E S, and now merge this one with center by pressing M and add center. So now we have a better topology to just give some good colors to it. So let's select these, and now Control plus and assign a brown color, and as you can see it's white now. Okay, and for this one we need a black color, so we already have black color, so let's just add that. Okay, if you're a bit afraid of this one, so we can just select this whole loop with Alt Shift and left click and X and dissolve this edge. Also, if we want, we can just make it straight by right click and making it flat. If you don't get this option, you might need to come up here to the add-ons and search for an add-on that's called loop tool. After that, if you right click, you will get this loop tool menu, and then you need to flat it. So yep, okay, so this is it for the eyes, and yes, this is how we can add colors to it. Okay, the last thing, that the hands. So again, add plus. We already have the skin material, so don't recreate that. Let's just select the skin color, and what we have to do is to go to the wireframe, select, and now select the skin and assign that. And now if we see again, yep, we have that. So I think this is it for the view, for the shading and for the colors. We would like to keep it simple, and in the next lecture we will be actually rigging and posing our character. So see you in that. Bye for now.